This is probably the most insane thing that I've ever seen in terms of a crypto investment or crypto trade. What's going on, guys? Kevin Cage here with another cryptocurrency update. Throw this video on 2x playback speed and watch all of this. We're going to dive into some XRP and HBAR news today. As we heard, Hedera did in fact announce that DBS Bank, based out of Singapore, is the first and only bank in Southeast Asia to join their governing council. They're going to be exploring further opportunities and potential use cases to leverage the vast potential of blockchain and DLTs as it continues to reimagine the future of banking. Now, where have we seen this group before? Well, we know Bank XRP even sharing we are working with a number of different partners. Ripple is a partner of DBS, and DBS actually has a digital crypto exchange, and they list XRP for trading today. This gentleman, the VP of MasterCard, already naming DBS and Ripple side by side, along with even Standard Chartered, which is an early Ripple investor. Not surprised. And here's the video. This was just made recently. Even Ripple's employee Brooks Entwistle, formerly at Goldman Sachs for 18 years, talking side by side with MasterCard. So now Hedera has a new member on the governing council. And funny enough, on Instagram just a few days ago, I think just about a week actually, I did post their governing council. Google, FIS, IBM, LG, some big behemoths and titans of industry, such as even Boeing. And all of these organizations are essentially owned and controlled by BlackRock and Vanguard, aka the leaders of the world. In perfect timing, guess who came out with the video today? Hedera Hashgraph came out with the video, the Hedera Governing Council, a 3-minute video highlighting some of these members. Deutsche Telekom, Tata Communications. I know that even TCS Banks in their Quartz solution highlights XRP. And also, a Reuters article with Singapore bank DBS charts ambitious plans for digital exchange. Notice, talking about the growth, talking about crypto, offering digital currencies. Unit of Standard Chartered is setting up a joint venture to establish a crypto brokerage firm and exchange platform. However, HSBC, another Ripple partner, says it has no plans to offer digital currencies to customers. I'd like to add the word yet. Now, interestingly enough, I'm showing you this article from last month with a control find for XRP for DBS Bank that now announced they are on the governing council of Hedera. And here's my prediction. DBS Digital Exchange offers trading services between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and XRP. And of course, some fiat currencies, the Hong Kong dollar, the Singapore dollar, the US dollar. It's my bet that they may in fact add HBAR in the future. I think this is pretty obvious. Not sure if anybody's talked about this already. I assume they have, but just wanted to share. So be sure to check out this governing council overview if you have time. It's only 3 minutes. Highlights some big players. Be sure to check out DBS Bank as well. And this bank and their adoption of cryptocurrencies offering virtual currencies is the future, and other banks are paying close attention. You can see right on their website, dbs.com, and we can see that they've already won a variety of awards for excellence by Euromoney, Best Bank in Singapore, Best Investment Bank in Singapore, and I agree, any bank that offers crypto already gets a gold star from me. And DBS Bank becomes the first Southeast Asia bank to join the Hedera Governing Council. And this whole council's purpose is to boost Hedera Hashgraph Network's adoption in the world of DeFi, NFTs, which is something we have to watch, built on Hashgraph, CBDCs, gaming, and other industries. Exploring further use cases that bring tangible benefits to our stakeholders. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, aka the Central Bank of Singapore, has determined XRP to not be a security and is one of their favorite assets already, and now they're paying attention to HBAR? Oh baby. Also, in other news, SHIB is just taking off a $30 billion, almost $31 billion market cap. Look at this 24-hour volume. Absolutely insane. I'm just salty that I don't own any besides dust on some exchanges, so I missed it. I'm not buying meme coins. People are making way more money than me in meme coins, but I'm sticking to what I know and sticking to the assets that I have researched. If you hold SHIB, if you hold any other asset, I wish you well. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, the assets I hold, I believe they're going to be here. They're going to succeed long-term, whether I talk about them, whether you buy them or not. Just wanted to touch on that. So SHIB is absolutely crushing it. We also have tons of controversy with this digital asset Strong. A market cap of $150 million, has had a beautiful uptrend lately. You can see right here on the all chart. And to be honest, I don't know enough about this asset to have an opinion. I know a lot of people are feuding. A lot of people, want to talk about potentially protecting investors. Overall, just please do your own due diligence. In all crypto assets, even the assets that I'm most confident on, I only invest an amount that I am okay with potentially losing. Now, do I think I'll lose it? No, absolutely not, but you have to prepare yourself mentally for that. Just want to make a quick statement for anybody, because I know everybody's asking my opinion, sending me DMs. What do you think about this? So just to make a quick statement, guys, tons of drama on CT crypto Twitter about Shiba. We got strong. And my philosophy is just to let everyone be themselves. Now, of course, I don't know enough to have an opinion. If I did, yes, I would do everything I could to protect people. I just did not do enough research. I don't own it, so I never bothered to. And maybe that's my fault. Maybe I should research it to protect people, but there's new assets every single week that I just can't keep up with. So I'm just focused on myself and my chosen assets that I have researched. I don't know enough about those two to have an opinion, so I just stay quiet. I'm not interested in fighting or bashing anybody or coming after other influencers. And I know there's people that would be happy to attack me if I have some opinion that doesn't align with theirs. You're free to do whatever you want with your money. I don't care if you buy, sell, love, hate any assets that are similar to mine. I believe the assets that I've researched, and it's biased and subjective, will do just fine long term. I have great friends that hold strong. I have great friends that do not. It's all good either way. I'm just not here to fight. All right? Next up, guys, this is probably the most insane thing that I've ever seen in terms of a crypto investment or crypto trade. This is shared by Crypto Dreams. This wallet bought only $8,000 worth of Shiba in last August, and it is now worth $5.7 billion, from 8K to almost $6 billion in roughly 400 days. This would be August of the previous year. We may actually be looking at the greatest individual trade of all time. Other considerations, though, is there enough liquidity for somebody to cash out on a single exchange? Most likely not. If they did just a giant market sell, like as this guy goes right here, can he cash out? It's probably just going to dry up the order book, and they're going to have to simultaneously, on a variety of exchanges, little by little, just do little limit orders, slowly eating at that order book in order to really even get a fraction of that out. So even on CoinMarketCap, of course, there's better platforms to utilize. We can see number 10, we can see the overall volume on a 24-hour basis. Guys, $38 billion is flowing through this. That's insane. So back in August 2020, look how cheap that price was. I'll have to pull it up on TradingView. But anyway, seeing some of the markets, seeing some of the top volume, it's primarily on Binance, even Coinbase. And it's just so peculiar to me that Coinbase goes ahead and adds Shiba Inu, no offense to any holders, I wish you well, over assets like HBAR. The market is down today, Bitcoin pulling back, and all my assets that have yet to explode, I am just holding. Now, it's easy for me to say because I'm in profit. If you're brand new to the market, you have to decide for yourselves, but just wanted to share. And if you have not seen this video that I did on October 15th, just talking about alt season, 30 plus, now there's roughly 50 assets that have created an all-time high price, meaning a second all-time high price for the year of 2021. XRP hasn't created a second all-time high. Now, some people see that as a bad thing. Me, I see that as a very, very bullish thing for a lot of my alts that I am holding. I'd get nervous trying to follow the crowd and buy assets, not necessarily Solana, but any alt that has already topped out at a full 4.236 Fibonacci extension or even surpassed it. I'm not buying up here. I'm buying up here dollar cost averaging and waiting. Because I believe after studying the Bitcoin cycles that we have a serious chance of those alts that are down here to follow other cycles and reach higher levels. And next up, guys, whether you believe me or not, I know I'm just some voice on YouTube, you will never see me shill or promote a sketchy project, or unless I truly believe in it or truly believe in the success of the project. There's some things that money can't buy, and I will not promote something that I do not believe in. Everything I share on YouTube in my video descriptions, whether it's exchanges or crypto platforms for taxes, are things that I actively use to this day. Or something I would have my best friend or even my family use. Also shared by James Rule XRP, be sure to give him a follow, discussing Neum Global, and Neum is a well-known Ripple partner. We can see crypto as a service. Very cool, so it looks like you can be a beta tester here. And they have this new API-based crypto as a service platform. Looks like we're going to see a lot more of this in the future. The first to allow FIs, financial institutions, to integrate popular crypto capabilities into their financial apps. And thank you for sharing, James. I know I saw this circulating everywhere, so pretty cool. Right on neum.com. And also, guys, this is one hell of a thread. Whether you like QNT, XRP, or any digital asset, check this out from the CEO of Quant. And as we can see, this is one monster thread, and please understand, I can't even do a video on this information. It goes through everything. Central bank digital currencies, to connections between testing and trials, to DLT, to real-time gross settlement systems being interoperable with said DLT platforms and crypto assets that we talk about on this channel. Bank of England, paid Ripple clients, and the Digital Pound Foundation literally has the company Ripple and Quant part of their team. And this is just one giant thread gluing it all together, just like QNT does for DLTs. And this is a really cool read by Payments. I'm just going to highlight a few sentences that I did like. The connected economy takes off, and this is so true. I noted that the decade of the 2010s was an app-based economy accessed by smartphones. The decade of the 2020s, however, would lead to ecosystems that aggregate discrete activities, sometimes accessed through multiple connected devices and across many different, once physical, activities. This gave me so many thoughts, it's not even funny. I mean, IoT devices, a variety of new networks, once physical activities. We could cover everything in terms of metaverse and digitalization and NFTs, to artificial intelligence, to machine learning and logic. As we can see, new networks, intermediaries, or middlemen, and enablers would emerge to disrupt the payments. Remember, Ripple, an enabler of payments, essentially allowing all this old infrastructure, this old banking relationship to connect better. Connecting these silos that typically had no other way or routes to connect to one another directly, let alone bi-directionally, meaning both directions. Opening new doors to those who could see the connected economy's potential and wanted to shape its future. This is what it means for the Internet of Value, unleashing this value, the trillions, if not quadrillions of dollars, onto the economy. And I still cannot get over this. This is crazy. $5 to $6 billion. I'd be curious how much they could actually market sell right now and how much money they could get away with if they so choose to do a rug pull. Please be safe. Also, we can see right here the actual address, $5.7 billion. Wow. Also, guys, if you get a chance, I highly recommend checking out this video I did this morning. It is 12 minutes long, turning $10,000 to $160,000 in 4 trades. Now, this was not overnight. I would like you guys to check it out, just so you understand my way of seeing things. I buy things and I sell them at a higher price. And yes, I'm okay with waiting a very long time. And overall, guys, sentiment is in such a weird place. I know that it's hard out there. Life is crazy. But in my experience, the angrier people get at the market, the more impatient they get, the more bullish I become. So that means that we're just getting closer and closer than ever before. And one of the best videos that I just watched that I highly recommend anybody, not even just XRP holders, to watch is Blockchain Backer's latest video. Go give it a like and check this out. The Monster Surge, arguing for the XRP price chart, XRP to reach $10 to $13, discussing the Bitcoin price, discussing the top, discussing the flow into the altcoin market from Bitcoin. And notice this chart, he has the Bitcoin price chart up, and this is on charts.cointrader.pro. So he has the XRP and US dollar price chart. You can look at the market cap, you can look at the price and overlay it on top of Bitcoin and look back at cycles in 2013, 2016 during the halving, 2017 for the first bull run, the second bull run, and watch the first ever alt season. If you get a chance, I believe this is one of the most well done videos I have ever seen when it comes to technical analysis for the XRP price chart. I just like it because he lays out all the data for you to decide for yourselves. You don't have to believe him. You don't have to believe me either, or us lunatics that believe XRP is severely undervalued. But I highly recommend checking this out. And again, you can go to charts.cointrader.pro, this website, instead of tradingview.com, which is also linked in the top of this video description. Go to charts.cointrader.pro. You can pull up the Bitcoin price chart versus CoinMarketCap. And what you can do, and this is what he does on his video, is you can go right up here to compare, and you can compare market caps, you can compare price history, anything in between. So check this out, compare, and let's just type in XRP. And now we have a whole variety of options, whether it's the XRP Bitcoin chart, whether it's the XRP US dollar chart, and you can hit that. Or what else he does is compare, and let's look at the XRP market cap right here, XRP market cap. And you can literally click this and overlay it and observe how this actually functions. I mean, XRP price chart, the XRP market cap, the XRP supply, the XRP dominance. You could do the altcoin market cap. You can overlay whatever you'd like. Remember, you can hide them, you can exit out if you wanted to make it, pretty and restart. Just wanted to show you some of the free tools that are available for us as you continue doing your own analysis. So I'm sure you guys are sick of the typical crypto news, so I'm just going to finish up with this. Do I believe that alts get a big leg up based off of previous cycles? Yes, I do. Now, that is not financial advice. I'm prepped for the bullish case of prices going up and the bearish case and prices going down or a flash crash, which I don't think happens, but we have to be able to entertain that. So am I prepared for the worst case scenario? If all of a sudden a flash crash comes and, alts are down like crazy, like we saw earlier in the summer. Yes, I am prepared because I've been taking profits all year. I still have my cash position. I explained my portfolio strategy in the previous video as well. And so for me, there's two options. I mean, the third option is we just creak sideways and I'm more annoyed. But bullish case, unbelievable wealth for all. The bearish case, the bad case, notice I put this in parentheses, since I already have fiat or cash ready, aka my insurance policy, so I can sleep at night and don't feel like a degenerate gambler. We'd get amazing discounts and entries to improve our position tenfold. In all seriousness, let's get the show on the road. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and sub, and I'll catch you in the next one.